You might hear the sirens today. No, it's not an emergency. It's the national's wake-up call. A call to be prepared, aware, and get ready. This is Operation Abhyaas, India's largest civil defense drill in decades. Today on 7th May, more than 240 cities across nation will be participating in the massive mock drill. This drill will be stimulating the wartime real emergencies, be it air sirens, blackouts, and evacuation. Why? To build a culture of preparedness, because preparation today might save life tomorrow. As individuals and professionals, our role is simple: stay calm, be informed, and follow the drill. These exercises aren't just the government protocols, these are people protocols. These are to get ready of you, your safety, your family security. Now, what are the precautions that you need to follow while the drill? First is stay indoors and stay away from the windows. Second is keep all the electrical appliances off, switch off the lights and just switch on the flashlight. Third is help children, elder people and pets. Also stay calm. Further, during blackouts, there are certain protocols that you need to follow. First, use flashlights instead of candles. Second, keep your phones charged in advance. Third, stay tuned for the government advisories. Just remember, this is a drill, but your response is real. In the time of peace, preparation is the greatest act of patriotism. Let's prepare, not panic. Let's be ready, not just for ourselves, for our team, our families, and our community. At Bric-X, safety is not seasonal, it's the way of life. Stay alert, stay safe, stay calm. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.